giving away a fidget cube, this green fidget cube, and this emoji spinner. It's really cool. We have this emoji and then this emoji. It's going to be awesome. And all you have to do is win one of these awesome fidget cubes or awesome fidget spinners. All you have to do is just subscribe, smash that like button, and watch as many videos as you can of mine. And I hope you subscribe too. Crap, I just lost my fidget spinner. Okay, and you will win it. And you will get one slice of fresh pizza. Okay, you get one slice of fresh pizza and a fidget cube. And I just lost the fidget spinner, but I will get the fidget spinner back. Don't worry. Remember, smash that like button, subscribe, put on the notifications, and do all that stuff. Remember, fresh pizza. Okay, bye-bye. And remember, free fidget cube and fresh pizza or fidget spinner. Whatever you want to do. And now I'll see you guys when I have over 1 million subscribers. Done.